Hello friend, through this video actually I am sharing with you one website that is called Edmodo, and this platform is very useful for the children or student, you can say, those who are very familiar with the mobile devices and they know better as compared to the elder one. This platform basically provide an opportunity to the children, to the students, to interact with the educational content, right? So here one teacher can assign the quiz, assign the poll, assign the assignment, tutorial, like that. There are various possibility, multiple type questions are you can give here, true and false, matching, like that. So I will try to show you all these things in a systematic way. So here, this is the my home page, and you can see here www.edmodo.com, my home, and here at this is the home page, and these are classes. Actually this is open for all, and a code basically will given to them who are interested to join this particular class. This is my personal class which I take in my university, and assign all these things, whatever is required. For an example, before I go into the detail that how you can assign all those things activity to the students, let me show you one by one. So what is due here? All the activity which I have assigned to them are listed in terms of that, right? So here you can review all these things, and then after they will go into the reviewed section. What the progress is going on, here you can see that I am using this one since 2013, and right now for this particular section I will try to show you that what type of progress is going on. So here I have assigned assignment, tutorial, quiz, and other things, and you can see that, right? And this is the student list, you can see here, and the students basically perform it online, give the answer online, right? And this you can see. Then after you can add all these things into the add grade and export all these things. You can assign the badges to the students. So I have mentioned here 6-7 badges, and if I try to show you that I basically assign the badge to the students who basically score uh, good in the quizzes like this. So these are different students, and I have assigned this particular badge to them, and for some students I have assigned this hard worker badge. So by this way, what happen actually, one student get motivated directly. In the section of library, you can see the information which I have listed here. I can direct interact with the students through the message box, and student can take the help from you. I can ask the question here. You will get the notifications that who basically submitted or requested or anything else. You will get that notification. This comes under the profile and other things. So let me show you now one by one how I assign the quiz and other things. When you create the class, right? For an example, I have created this particular class, and particular group, whatever, so that you can create from here. And if one is interested to join my class, that he can join through this one, or I can make a small group also, right? Through this, and I can manage everything. So first of all, let me show you this. So here for a particular group or particular class, you can observe like this: some post, folders, members, joining request, like this. It means here one basically is interested to join. So let me show you this thing, how basically it appears. Okay, right? It taking time. folders, post, like that. So I just first of all try to show you that how you can assign the quiz. There are two things. One is create the quiz and second is load prompt collection. When you create the quiz, basically it stores into the library, and from that library you can load prompt collection. For an example, instead of creating, I go into the load. So there are some quizzes and assignment like that. They are available here. So what I will do, I will just try to assign here to the particular class, right, which I have created here. And second thing, if I have to create a new one, then I will click it, and here you just give the name of that quiz, and you can assign the time limit, 20 minutes, 10 minutes. So you just explain about the quiz here, and these are the type of questions: multiple choice question, true, false, short answer, fill in the blank, matching. And here correct answer if is A, you mention it correct answer, but if you think the B is the correct answer, so you can set here this set as the correct answer. So this comes under the multiple choice. True, false, you just write the statement here. You can attach the thing right from the library, from the name, and then correct answer is true or false. You can decide here after the statement. And short answer type questions, you just write the question, right, and fill in the blanks. Important thing is in filling the blanks that you have to use this underscore and comma for the where you want, basically that this is the blank, and one have to fill that particular word there. This is your choice that what type of questions you have set it down here. Then after the second question you can add after the first, and here again it is your choice that what type of question you are taking here. So by this way you can create the quiz and just click here done, and it will store basically in library. Then go to home in your classes for which section you, for which class basically you want to assign that, right. For an example, I assign again for this one. So what I will do, I will just click this quiz, and I will basically load it from the collection by this way, right. So you can see all information, related information from here. So now this is the person who basically is interested to join this particular class. So I have given the code. They use it, join a class. When they will join a class, click it. A code basically is required, group code, right? So only then they can join the class. So that basically that person who is requesting to join the class have a code, right. Class code is locked right now, but I can invite the people. So this is the way which basically you can use this platform in a better way. And if you need any help anywhere, then I can help. You can ask the question in comment box if you need. This is more beneficial for the children, for the small classes. They can download the application of this Edmodo. You can share the information which you have. So when they use the mobile phone, basically they are more creative, and by this way the educational activity completes. They remember all the concept by this way. They discuss with their friends because they have mobile phones. So for any question they will discuss. By discussing again they will learn. So by this way this platform is more useful in terms of the educational technology, and I will recommend it not only for school, for the graduate student and postgraduate students, in terms of the quizzes, in terms to provide the video link, etc., etc. So thanks for watching this video, and I am requesting again, if you have any question you can ask.